This laundry box has a leak detector in it. So if that washing machine or your braided hose line leaks and you're away, as soon as that detector senses water, the water dedicated to that laundry will shut off. Once we get our flooring down, we'll put the pan down. The sensor just clips onto the side of the pan, and any moisture that it senses gets shut off immediately and kills the water. This line back here, which is a small plumbing line, that will attach to our pan. So any water that gets into that pan will fall into this line and right back into the drainage of the house. No water damage to your first floor. No more leaks down to your basement. Something to really consider when you're adding laundry to a second floor of a home.